Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a demonstration of the control panel of the Turbro Greenland air conditioner. So here it is, and I'm going to be showing you the control panel right here. So on here you can also turn on or off the system from the control panel. So in order to turn the whole system off, you have to press it 3 times while the air is blowing. So if you press it once, it doesn't turn the system off, but it turns the air that is blasting off. And yeah, in order to turn the whole system off while it's in this stage, you have to press the button or something like that. I'm not kind of sure. Well, anyways, like I was saying, you have to press it 3 times to make it turn off fully. However, when you press it once, it will turn the air blowing off, and then for like seconds it will turn the whole system off, I think. So yeah, let me go and turn it back on. Now, next is the mode. You can set it to dry, fan, heat, and whatever this is, I'm not kind of sure what this is. And you're cool. You can change the modes from the remote too. So yeah. And then your temperature buttons, you can also control the temperature. And you can also set your fan if you want it to set to automatic, high or low. And you can also set your timer. You can set the timer whatever you want to. And to cancel it, press it again. And this is the demonstration of the control panel of the Turbro Greenland air conditioner. And that's it.